What do you think is going on?
Doing it. It's like a river's going by. There's a turtle, there's a fish, there's a log. That's why it's like random. Like, what is this? What is that?
That is the way we'll first find out whether or not there's life beyond Earth.
The moon, often seen as a familiar presence in our night sky, is sometimes overlooked or taken for granted. Much of what we know about this celestial companion comes from controlled sources. However, in a recent appearance on the Joe Rogan Experience podcast, renowned radio host Alex Jones from Austin, Texas, unveiled some startling information about the moon. According to Jones, there are a multitude of astonishing facts and revelations about our moon that could challenge our understanding of this celestial body. What exactly did he disclose? And what could be the implications for us here on Earth? Let's delve into these revelations and explore their potential significance. Mysterious lunar flashes, evidence of ET? The debate surrounding the existence of extraterrestrial life in the universe remains a contentious and polarizing topic, even among scientists. According to Alex Jones, there is compelling evidence suggesting that authorities attempt to shape public perceptions and control the narrative regarding alien existence in our universe. However, intriguingly, you may not need to gaze deep into the cosmos to find potential evidence of extraterrestrial activity. Recent discoveries have brought to light mysterious lights that intermittently flash on and off on the surface of the moon. The official stance on these phenomena is that scientists are uncertain about their origin and causes, but there's a natural inclination to connect the dots. These enigmatic occurrences involve parts of the moon's surface lighting up at various intervals throughout the week, sometimes in rapid bursts and occasionally persisting for hours. Conversely, some regions inexplicably go dark. These phenomena are referred to as transient lunar phenomena by the scientific community. Research dating back to the 1970s described the emitted light as often appearing reddish or pinkish, occasionally with a sparkling or flowing quality, and sometimes stretching across miles of the lunar surface. The duration of these events can range from 20 minutes to several hours. Various hypotheses have been proposed to explain these peculiar flashes, including lunar impacts by meteors, collisions between the solar wind and lunar dust, or movements in the moon's surface that release gases reflecting sunlight back toward Earth. However, none of these explanations have been conclusively proven. Scientists are now actively working to unravel the mystery behind these strange lunar flashes. Jones commented, "Perhaps it's challenging to admit that these lights might originate from extraterrestrial sources after decades of maintaining their non-existence." Astonishing lunar find. Unexplained moon towers. If one were to come across a cluster of towers in the desolation of a lunar desert, the logical conclusion would be that someone or something had been there before, constructing these structures. Now imagine stumbling upon not just one tower, but a group of 6 on the moon. It would undoubtedly fuel the speculation of extraterrestrial involvement, wouldn't it? During a podcast, Jones mentioned that you needn't rely on imagination alone in this case. 6 such towers have indeed been discovered on the moon, providing additional fodder for the theories held by experts who believe that beings from beyond Earth have left their mark on our celestial neighbor. Interestingly, this revelation is not the result of some clandestine mission, but rather sourced from Google Moon, which compiles data from NASA satellites in lunar orbit. These satellites capture detailed images of the moon's surface, and within these images, unmistakable structures can be seen, reaching towering heights above the lunar terrain. In fact, some of these towers stretch up to 5 kilometers in height, as per the data accompanying these images. Alex Jones, among others, posits that these formations are far from natural. Rather, they were intentionally placed there by some form of intelligent life. He asserts, when you gaze upon these structures, they are truly monumental. Some of them even approach nearly 4 miles in height. Skeptics might suggest that these are merely anomalies or glitches in the image capturing software. And while that is a plausible explanation, the concept of constructed towers on the moon, I emphasize constructed as they are not inherent to the moon's natural state, has been a subject of speculation for many decades. Moon's uninvited guests. Mysterious flying objects. From time to time, the moon treats us to a captivating spectacle, transforming into a mesmerizing celestial object in the night sky. Thanks to the wonders of science, we can predict such events with reasonable accuracy, giving people the opportunity to eagerly anticipate and observe them. However, during these celestial shows, some individuals possess a keen eye for detail, allowing them to notice extraordinary occurrences that might otherwise go unnoticed. Recently, during one of the most significant and brilliant supermoons of the year, a vigilant observer looked even closer and was astounded by a rather peculiar sight. Amidst the moon's radiant glow, they spotted curious orbs, capturing these enigmatic objects on video as they appeared to navigate perilously close to the moon's surface, casting intriguing shadows on its rugged terrain. This captivating video found its way onto a YouTube channel known as Jean-Michel Tanac, interestingly the sole video on the channel. It didn't take long for this footage to gain tremendous attention, racking up millions of views as viewers attempted to decipher the nature of these mysterious orbs. The video itself provides a timestamp, offering a chronicle of the unfolding events. According to the video's caption, it was filmed during the late afternoon, directed toward Montreal. Unfortunately, the specifics regarding the camera equipment used for this recording remain unclear. At one point in the video, a moment of heightened curiosity prompts a zoom in, and the strange objects are replayed in slow motion to enhance clarity. This phenomenon has sparked intense speculation, and during a discussion with Joe Rogan, Alex Jones highlighted that there is no official explanation for this remarkable video. He said that this leaves me pondering whether it could potentially join the ranks of other unexplained phenomena that fuel the intriguing question of whether extraterrestrial entities are traversing our corner of the solar system. Chinese rover stumbles upon bizarre cube. The space race has evolved beyond the historic rivalry between the United States and Russia. China has emerged as a significant player in this cosmic competition, consistently sharing intriguing discoveries that pique global curiosity. One such discovery, as highlighted by Jones, revolves around a mysterious and sizable cube that Chinese rovers have encountered on the moon. The Chinese U-22 rover, while traversing the moon's Von Karman crater within the South Pole Aitken Basin, captured images of this enigmatic structure from a distance of roughly 260 feet. The discovery was intriguing enough to prompt Chinese scientists to alter the rover's course for a closer examination. However, the answers to the questions surrounding this peculiar find may not be immediate, as U-22 is set to embark on a journey spanning several months to reach this unusual lunar object. According to entries in U-22's mission diary, the cube-shaped anomaly was first observed on the horizon during the rover's 36th lunar day. Subsequently, in response to the discovery, scientists redirected the six-wheeled rover's path to enable a more thorough investigation. The solar-powered U-22 is expected to traverse the lunar landscape for 2 to 3 lunar days, equivalent to 2 to 3 months on Earth, to closely examine this enigmatic cube. Predictably, the release of images from the rover has sparked widespread speculation regarding the nature of this cube-shaped object, giving rise to imaginative conjectures. Is it a structure crafted by extraterrestrial beings following a lunar crash landing? Could it be the remnants of an early spacecraft sent to explore the moon? Interestingly, this isn't the first perplexing discovery made by the U-22 rover since its arrival on the moon's far side almost 3 years ago. Prior findings include a mysterious gel-like substance and unusual shards protruding from the lunar surface, adding to the ongoing intrigue surrounding Earth's nearest celestial neighbour. Is the moon's core truly hollow? Is there credible evidence supporting the notion that our moon might be hollow? The celestial orb that graces our night skies has been a constant presence throughout human history, and while some unconventional theories about it have circulated over the centuries, none may be as peculiar as the one you're about to hear. The concept of a hollow moon has been a topic of intrigue for generations, even finding its place in various works of fiction. However, Alex Jones has brought attention to a particularly compelling piece of purported evidence, often cited by proponents of the hollow moon theory, rooted in the Apollo missions of the late 1960s. During these historic missions, seismic sensors were placed on the moon's surface, and as part of an experiment, the spent liftoff stage of the lunar module was deliberately crashed into the lunar surface. Astonishingly, this impact generated seismic reverberations akin to the resonance of a bell, with the moon echoing for several hours each time a similar experiment was conducted during subsequent missions using a spent rocket stage. This phenomenon was notably distinct from how the Earth would respond to such an impact, leading many to ponder whether the moon conceals a hollow interior. Alex Jones has expressed this sentiment by asking what else could be causing the tremors. If indeed the moon harbours hollowness, it naturally invites the question, what might lie within its enigmatic depths? The concept of a hollow moon raises intriguing possibilities, including the notion of it serving as an ideal location for an extraterrestrial base. Adding to the mystery is the fact that one side of the moon perpetually faces away from Earth, shrouding its secrets behind closed doors, so to speak. This enigmatic lunar theory continues to captivate the imagination, reminding us that even in our age of advanced knowledge and exploration, the cosmos still harbours its share of perplexing mysteries. Now, we'd love to hear your thoughts on this. Please share your opinions in the comments section below. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more captivating content. We sincerely appreciate you joining us on this journey of cosmic exploration.